This video is brought to you by the Turn Content into Clients freelancing course from content-to-clients.com. It gives you everything you need to start producing content to sell your freelance services and earn more from your clients, including a 5-step blog post template, services sales page template, social media posting guide, and more. Just go to content-to-clients.com to learn how to get access to the course for free. All right, so a question I got over on Quora: where can I promote my Fiverr gigs so that I can get more projects? My answer is everywhere. You know, there's no one place that's going to be a magic bullet that's going to just suddenly bring you a bunch of clients or a bunch of people taking you up on your gigs. The trick is promoting your stuff on a bunch of different places and that adding up to something significant. So blogging, YouTube, podcasting, Quora, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I think you get the point. Of course, just blasting out a link to your Fiverr gigs isn't going to get much attention, and a lot of those places is going to get you banned or blocked. So what you need is what's called two-step marketing, and this comes from direct mail advertising. So what direct mail advertisers would do is, instead of sending long-form sales letter, just sending them out to a mailing list, they would first send out more of a postcard style thing. And it would just ask the people if they were interested in more information on a general topic that was ultimately related to the product that they were going to sell. And then the people who responded to that, then they would send those people their full ad. And it worked really, really well. A lot of direct mail advertisers sort of swear by it. Now, you can do a similar thing online today. So just create a quick piece of content on a topic related to one of your gigs. And at the end of it, you can say, hey, if you'd like to learn more about this topic, or you have a question or whatever, just shoot me an email and then set up a forwarding email that forwards to your real email address. Now, don't put out your real email address just so if it gets overrun with spam or whatever, then you can just turn off the forwarding for that email, create a new one, and get going again, or manage that. You have some buffer between your real email and what you've put out there. And then when people email you, because they will, it sounds like it might not work, but it does. When they do, often they're going to come in saying that with a question or telling you about what their problem is. But if they don't, simply respond to what they say. If they come in with something like, hey, I just want more info, just simply respond to what they say and ask them if they have a question or some problem that they're facing, and then just help them out. Just answer their questions. And then when the timing is right, present or mention your Fiverr gigs as a way for them to just have done whatever they need done. And remember, you don't need to hard sell in the back and forth. All you need to do is mention it and give them the link. All the hard selling's done on Fiverr. So all you got to do is get the conversation going, and people will believe you much more over email than if you kind of try to do it via like a web page or whatever. So yeah, it's some work, but it's very effective, and it's something that you can start doing right away today. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. If you'd like to dig deeper into creating content to sell your services, I do have a full course on it that you can get access to for free. If you're interested in that, just go to content-to-clients.com. I also have the link in the description.